Screen printing 101, people. This is the foundation, so lay the right one with Jacquard stencil systems. Screen filler is applied directly to the screen. Once dried, it prevents ink from getting through the screen into areas it's been applied. The beauty of screen filler is that it requires no ultraviolet light to harden in the screen. All it takes is your brain and maybe your hands. Drawing fluid is a temporary resist applied before screen filler. Wherever it's been applied, once dried, it will prevent screen filler from locking into the screen. So basically, wherever you apply drawing fluid now is where ink will come through the screen later. So first, you're going to draw your image onto the squeegee side of your screen with a pencil. Then flip that screen over and apply the drawing fluid to the print side of your screen. You could apply it with any tool. In our case, it's a paintbrush. Allow the drawing fluid to dry completely. Then you're going to apply screen filler to the same side, the print side of your screen. You can use any tool to do this. In our case, it's a scoop coater. Allow the screen filler to dry completely. Then develop your screen with water by rinsing the drawing fluid out of the screen to reveal open areas of mesh. Warm water works best. Blot it dry, now you're ready to print. So photo emulsion is like screen filler in that it's applied as a liquid. And once dry, it becomes a stencil in your screen. The difference is that it requires ultraviolet light in order to harden in the screen. The main advantage to this system is that you can reproduce photographic images both quickly and easily. Fill that little baby bottle of sensitizer half full with water and shake thoroughly. Pour that sensitizer into the emulsion base and stir until the color is uniform. In an ideal scenario, you would wait an hour for the air bubbles that you've created by stirring to rise to the top and pop. Those air bubbles can be problematic. When coating your screen, they will cause pinholes. Then apply the photo emulsion to both the squeegee side and the print side of your screen with a tool of your choice. In our case, it's a scoop coater. And there's various techniques depending on your application. When applying photo emulsion to the screen, we are using a coating technique of 2 coats on the print side and 1 on the squeegee side. Allow your screen to dry completely with the print side facing down to the ground. Depending on environmental conditions, you'll need to wait roughly 10 or 15 minutes for this to dry. Then you'll place your film positive onto the print side of your screen. Utilize the elements of exposure to ensure a nice tight sandwich so that no light bounces around and undercuts any detail in your image. Expose your coated screen to ultraviolet light at a duration of time that you determine, probably through a step wedge test. Develop the image entirely by rinsing the screen with water. Warm water works best. Then your image will begin to reveal itself as a negative in the screen. Hold the screen up to the light to see all areas have fully developed. And anywhere you see light coming through the screen is where ink will also come through the screen. So Jacquard emulsion works great for halftones and high detail. It's a highly water resistant emulsion. Use bleach to remove the stencil, and for the easiest reclaim, use in conjunction with a high pressure washer. So what are you waiting for? Go get your stencil on.